Welcome to KRC's Service Solution video series. Companies tend to overlook strong preventative maintenance programs. A proactive PM program will help to eliminate unnecessary emergency breakdowns and have a positive impact on reaching your production goals.
Part of KRC's preventative maintenance program is monitoring the temperature of the machine and cleaning and inspecting all of the fans to ensure proper operation. This quick inspection could be the difference in replacing a $100 fan versus replacing a $5,000 drive. Don't wait until this happens.
At KRC, we want to help you customize a preventative maintenance program that will best fit your needs and keep your machines up and running. We want to help you schedule your downtime instead of your downtime scheduling you. Give me a call today so we can sit down and discuss how we can put together a program that will protect your investment and extend the life of your machine tools.
This has been another 60-second KRC Service Solution. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos on our YouTube channel.